Welcome to Reflect, Improve, and Thrive Meditations. Before we begin, find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, wherever you are right now. There's nowhere else you need to be for the next 10 minutes. This time is yours. Whenever you're ready, gently close your eyes. Let your face soften. Unclench your jaw. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Take a slow breath in through your nose. Hold it for a moment and let it go through your mouth longer than the inhale. Again, breathe in slowly. Hold and release, letting go of anything you carried in here with you. One more time, inhale deeply. Hold. Exhale completely, feeling your body settle a little heavier into the space beneath you. From here, let your breath return to its own natural rhythm. You don't need to control it, just notice it in and out, like a wave that doesn't need your permission to keep moving. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Let it relax. Let the relaxation move down into your forehead, softening the space between your eyebrows, down into your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, down through your arms, all the way to your fingertips, down through your chest, your stomach, releasing anything you've been holding onto. Down through your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Your whole body is heavier now, held, supported. You don't need to hold yourself up right now. You're allowed to just be here. Now in your mind, picture a quiet space. It could be anywhere. A room, a forest, the edge of the ocean, somewhere that feels like it's only yours. In this space, imagine someone sitting across from you. It's you, but the version of you before the noise, before the expectations, before you learn to perform for anyone else. Look at this version of yourself. Notice their eyes. There's no judgment there, only recognition. This is the part of you that has been waiting, not asking you to change anything, not asking you to fix anything today, just asking to be seen. Let yourself sit with them for a moment. You don't need words, just presence. Silently or aloud if you'd like, repeat after me. I don't have to earn my worth. I am allowed to take up space exactly as I am right now. The parts of me I've hidden are still parts of me, and I accept them. I don't need to be finished becoming someone to be worthy of love. Let that version of you, the one sitting across from you, nod. They've heard you, and they're not going anywhere. Take one more deep breath in. And let it out slowly. Begin to bring your awareness back into the room around you. The sounds nearby, the feeling of the surface beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and whenever you're ready, gently opening your eyes. You didn't leave this space empty-handed. You came back to yourself today. And that version of you, the one you just sat with, is coming with you into the rest of the day. You're allowed to feel whole. You're allowed to feel enough. Carry that with you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.